sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
Me and Bob's inside the Little Red Wagon. We fixed to unbox this icy cold refrigerator freezer. Dual zone portable fridge freezer. This is gonna go in my Little Red Wagon here. We got it painted. Cabinets painted up and cleaned up. Some new carpet on the floor. Getting it ready for Mama she shed. We're gonna put this in fridge freezer in. It is. Unboxed. Got that dual zone, individual lid. Got 100 to 230 volt. There's a 15 amp fuse. And there's the 12 volt, 24 volt DC. Now I got to read all this stuff and figure out how to use it. You know, this is all we got. One plugs into a cigarette lighter. One plugs into 110. Wonder how many amps it draws. Shouldn't draw very many, should it? What's the 12 volts supposed to be? We'll read all this stuff up here tonight and figure all that out. I got my instructions there. I'll read that up tonight. Bought me a camp stove, outdoor oven to use in here, and a grill, and a refrigerator.
I'm glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.